In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Xampp error Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0.Dll missing. This issue can be a bit frustrating, but with just a few simple steps, you can get your system back up and running smoothly. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the official Microsoft website. This is a crucial step because we need to download the Visual C++ redistributable. What this package does is provide the necessary runtime components required to run various C++ applications, including those needed by Xampp. Once you're on the Microsoft website, you'll want to look for the download link for the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio versions 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. Microsoft has packaged these versions together for compatibility, ensuring that it supports a range of applications. If you're wondering why we need this specific version, it's because this particular error usually arises when your system is missing one of these critical components. Now, when you reach the download page, you'll need to select the correct file for your system. This choice is very important because it ensures the installer is compatible with your Windows operating system. If your system is running a 64-bit version of Windows, you should choose vc-redist.c64.exe. However, if you're using a 32-bit system, go for vc-redist.x86.exe. To check which version your system is running, you can right-click on this PC or My Computer and select Properties. Under the System section, you'll see your system type listed. After selecting the appropriate file, go ahead and download the installer to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and run it. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts, accept the Microsoft license terms, and click on Install. During installation, your system may temporarily slow down, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Once the installation of the Visual C++ redistributable is finished, a restart of your computer is necessary. Restarting ensures that all new components are properly integrated and ready for use. So go ahead and restart your machine, and there you have it. After your computer has restarted, the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0.Dll error should be resolved, allowing Xampp and potentially other programs to run properly again. Remember, keeping your system updated with the latest redistributables can prevent similar issues in the future. I hope this guide helps you resolve your Xampp error. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to share it with someone who might also benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and good luck.